Hey, how you going?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
What do you got for us today, Rolly?
Oh, mate, have a look at that. We're just doing a little bit of routine maintenance. Blade, all a part of doing business as a lawnmower man. Rocks are not your friend. We've had a bit of a bad week, haven't we, this week? Lost a blower. Anyway, it's the weekend. Oh, I've got to show you the new addition too. Everyone's probably seen how we do this. Just make sure the base plate's a bit clean before you put the new blade on. Always use new bolts because you don't want one of these to fly off and hit you in the foot. My son bought me these ratchet spanners for my birthday last year. And they are the best thing since sliced bread, I reckon. So these ones used to look like those ones about 6 weeks ago. So that's depending on what you're mowing over, like rocks and lots of dirt. Ant mounds are another bad one because they're like sandblasting. But yeah, $30 a throw, whatever. That's that done. Come and check this out. Look at that. Got the inverter now so we can keep the batteries charged up on the run. Super happy.
You!
Happy Saturday.